we're going to configure Windows Defender. So we'll wait for this lab to load and let us start up. So the first thing that we want to do is to search, go to settings, and we're going to search for Windows Defender. Alright, here we have Windows Defender already, so we'll go ahead and open up Windows Defender. And here we want to go to real-time protection, and here let's scroll down. Under real-time protection, we want to add exclusions, and here we can exclude a file or exclude a folder. So here we want to check the plus sign here, and here we want to exclude the graphics folder in D drive, and the cat.jpg is the file we are looking for. So we're going to go into graphics folder under the D drive. We want to locate cat.jpg, click on it, go ahead and exclude this file. So we scroll down and we'll go ahead and exclude this. And here we want to type in welcome.src. So here we go ahead and click OK. So we close this. Let's go to his here we want to go ahead and update. We update the definitions, so we wait for the updates to complete, and after this I think we'll have to perform a quick scan. So let's go back to home and we'll perform a quick scan. This shouldn't take time, and we'll wait for this to scan to be completed. I think this should be the last task for this lab. Alright, so this is done. The next thing that we want to do is to go ahead and check our answers. Alright, everything is done. It's 100%. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're having challenges with any of your tech courses, either because you've been too busy with work or you have issues like health or family issues came up and your grade is suffering, reach out to me through WhatsApp and I will ensure you come out with an A at the end of the term. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.